Hi there. Welcome to the Anderson Pizza Oven, the joy of pizza. I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're making a really special pizza to celebrate Halloween. We're going to be making a pumpkin pizza today. We got our pizza dough here, ready. It's been sitting in the fridge for about 2 days, getting nice and flavorful for us. We got a whole pie pumpkin chopped into little cubes here. We got ricotta cheese, Parmesan, about 6 cloves of minced garlic. We got 2 sliced apples, bacon, red onion, and lastly goat cheese that I think will bring it all together. We got a lot of ingredients here today going on this pizza, but we're going to have a lot of fun and I think you're really going to enjoy it, so let's get started. Let's start out today by cooking our bacon. We need to pre-cook the bacon since it won't have time to cook on top of the pizza. So let's get a large cast iron skillet out and we'll throw about 6 strips of really thick bacon in the skillet. We'll want this to be really thick because we're going to dice it up later. We're making 2 pizzas today. I think we'll need about 3 strips of bacon per pizza. And I'll tell you what, we got a little extra room in there. Let's add 2 more strips of bacon. We'll have ourselves a little snack later. Now that this is ready, we'll take this outside, we'll put it in the doorway of the oven, and we'll get it cooked up. We'll cook the bacon in the doorway of the oven until it reaches our desired doneness. We want the bacon to be nice and crispy here so we can chop it up later. Now that the bacon is done, we'll take it out of the pan and set it aside. And then we can take our diced pumpkin and throw it in there, add a bit of salt, and cook that in the doorway for about 5 minutes. We want to mix up the pumpkin into the bacon grease as much as possible. After 5 minutes of cooking the pumpkin, we'll add in the apple slices and cook for another 5 minutes. We'll use about 1 whole apple for each pizza. While that's cooking, we can set aside 2 slices of bacon for a snack and chop up the rest and set it aside in a bowl. After the apple is done, remove the pumpkin and apple from the skillet and you can throw those in the bowl with the bacon. The last topping we need to cook is the red onion. Toss that in the skillet with some olive oil and cook those until they are nice and caramelized. When those are done, we can toss those in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Now that we got all our pizza toppings ready to go, our oven is nice and hot outside, we can make our pizza. We got our pizza dough here already stretched out and onto the pizza peel. So let's add a layer of ricotta cheese. We'll spread it around, nice and evenly around the entire pizza. Now that we got a nice layer of ricotta cheese on our pizza, we'll add on the Parmesan and we'll crumble it up a little bit as we go. We'll add about half of our minced garlic here, which is about 3 cloves. Then we'll add our pumpkin, apple, red onion, and bacon mixture here. We'll spread this around on the pizza. And lastly, we'll add on the goat cheese on top. And with that, I think we have a pizza that's ready to go in the oven, so let's head outside. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.